Good morning. It's Saturday morning, and me and my wife are gonna go get breakfast at the Songbird Cafe.
We're going fresh off the top.
That was off the rip, dog.
I had such a blackout, or not blackout moment, but like, what is it, like brain freeze?
Brain fart?
Brain fart. Yeah, when you can't think of the words that described having fun over the weekend, like the kids say or whatever. Someone asked me what I was doing this weekend, like, you gonna get lit? And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get turned. I thought turned.
Gross.
Yeah, gonna get gangster. Insane in the membrane.
Insane, got no pain.
Insane in the membrane.
Tuck and roll.
I've been busy filling up pages. I've been busy filling up rooms. I'm all done with scheming and conquest that are heavier than you. I've been busy giving up silos, selling all the storage for cash.